Okay, what are you going to do now? What are you going to do? Nice pass, well played. Right, back in now, come on. Right, start again, let's go. We're going to do 5 in a row now. Nice, Jake. Right, come on, let's go. Now mix it up, you want to do some 1-2s behind you, whatever you want now. There we go. Go on, you got 5 seconds left. Nice, back in again, back in. Guys, you've got 10 seconds per one. There we go. Nice. So make sure we got that movement though, Jake. Imagine you still got a defender on your ass. Nice. There we go, last one, we'll do one more. Love it. Excellent.